Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I do a lot of beauty reviews on my channel, mostly skincare reviews. So if you're interested, then please make sure that you are subscribed so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So today's video is a makeup tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to share all of the products that I got recently which I have not used in my previous makeup tutorials. So since I haven't done one in a very long time, I decided to film a makeup tutorial this time. And I want to start first with a moisturizer. Usually I don't show prepping the skin in my tutorials because then the video becomes too long, but I just wanted to show this moisturizer which is really nice for using before application of makeup. This is the Dot & Key matte moisturizer. As the name says, it is matte, and I'm not going to talk a lot about it because I've already made a detailed review. So this works really nice, creates a good canvas for makeup and smoothens out the skin very nicely. So now I do not start my makeup without prepping my skin, without using moisturizer, and this is very important step in makeup. Otherwise, if you use any matte foundations and other products, it can cling on to dry patches if you don't moisturize. Next, I want to do something for my eyes. So I don't have a new eyeshadow palette, so I will try this Earth Rhythm lip and cheek tint on my eyes and see how it works. Now this is a lip and cheek tint. It's not meant for the eyes, but let's see how it works out. So I'm just going to apply a little bit, not too much. I've not applied any concealer underneath to see if it feels sticky or it works fine. Now I'm going to blend it with my fingers, and that's how I think lip tints should be used, best used with fingers. Brush becomes very difficult to work with. Now this is a fuchsia shade. It's not properly matte, so I thought of using it on my eyelids and seeing how it works. I hope it doesn't look bad. I'll try to blend it as much as possible. Now it feels a little bit sticky, and as I said, it's not meant for the eyes, so it feels a little bit sticky on the eyelid. Next, I want to move on to the foundation, and this one that I got recently is this My Glam Pose HD foundation. Again, I have detailed reviews of all of these products, so I'm not going to go in depth. Now, I did not mention in my review that after a few uses, this thing, the stick of it broke off, and because it is way too creamy. So now I'm using a brush to apply this. Now using it with a brush is very time consuming. It's taking a lot of time here. I'm trying to do it fast. Since I don't have a new concealer, I'll just apply it in my under eye area and use it as a concealer as well. Okay, now I'll just blend this into my skin using my foundation brush. It's blending and very fast. That's something I like. Okay, now I've finished the entire blending process, and this is how this foundation looks on my skin currently. I have not applied any blush or anything else, so it gives a little bit of a dewy finish which I like. Now I'm going to apply compact powder on top of it. Usually I don't recommend using compact powder on top of a liquid foundation or even stick foundations for that matter, but just because this is something new that I got, so I want to show it in this video. So this is the Just Herbs compact powder, and I love this one as well. Now this is best applied along with the puff that they have given, so that's how I'm going to apply it instead of using a brush. Now this will give me additional coverage too, but not a very high coverage. This compact has a little bit of a reddish undertone, this particular shade, which is natural, but since this is a compact, it doesn't appear too reddish. It somehow just blends into the skin. Okay, next is another lip and cheek tint, which is from Just Herbs again. Now this one I'm actually going to use it on my cheeks, and this is my favorite lip and cheek tint. This is in the shade Rose Coral, and I love this. This is matte. This looks beautiful on the lips as well, so I highly recommend it if you want to get a lip tint. Now since I'm not using any contouring products, and I'm just going to use this cheek tint, so I'm going a little bit lower. Otherwise suusually cheek tint should be applied slightly higher, and I don't have an eyebrow product, so I just did it off camera. This is my favorite sugar intense kohl. This is retractable and I love it. I have their pencil one as well, but that one is along with glitter. This is black, of course. Now I'm not going to apply any eyeliner because so this Earth Rhythm cheek tint has settled into the crease of my eyelids, and I don't think so it's a good idea to apply eyeliner because it may not apply that smoothly. So I'll just apply kajal on my waterline. Last product is the lipstick, and I'm going to apply this Renee Stay With Me liquid lipstick. This is a bright pink shade. It's called Hots for Pink. Here's how it looks, and this is my overall look. It's not like super glam because I just wanted to use those makeup products that I've got recently. I overall like everything except the lip and cheek tint which I applied on my eyelids. Actually, that's a good product, but it's not meant for the eyes. That's why it's become a little sticky and it has settled into the crease area. So now this makeup tutorial is not like a recommendation that you have to do as I have done in this video. This was just like a sort of an experiment, and I like the overall look except the eyelid, what I've done on the eyelids. Rest everything seems fine, and here's how my overall look turned out to be. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such beauty reviews and beauty related content, and you can find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that's it from today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.